Good evening. Today we have problems on tension members. So we are going to see one problem which is with welded connections. One problem, last problem we have seen which is with bolted connection. Now we have this with welded connection. Now we have calculated the tensile strength of an angle section ISA 100 by 75 by 10 mm of Fe410 grade of steel. Connection is welded as shown in figure. Now we have 100 mm, 120 mm and 50 mm, and we are interested to determine the tensile strength of this angle section. So now we are in this way. If we will talk about cross section, then the strength of the plate is list of the following. We have yielding of cross section, we have rupture at critical section and block shear strength. So generally, block shear strength will not be asked when we have welded section, but I can show you in examinations, preferably when we have welded connection, we have yielding of cross section and rupture at critical section. Because direct in detail for clause for welded section is not given. Now gusset plate is connected to 100 mm leg. Now we have clause number 6.2, page number 32. This will be same. We may have welded connection or may have bolted connection. TDG will not be changed. And we have 375 kilonewton number 1. Then we have rupture at critical section. Now you can see this. We have this formula TDN is equal to 0.9 ANC FU upon gamma ml plus beta AGO FY upon gamma ml. Now here ANC, so we need not require to subtract any whole diameter. We have directly B minus T by 2 into T for ANC, and for AGO we have B minus T by 2 into T. Only AGO as it is, but in ANC we need not require to subtract the bolts. So this is ANC, then AGO. Then we have this formula. Now in this, we can have this beta equal to 1.4 minus 0.076, 75 by 8, 250 upon 415. BS. Now, whenever we have welded section, then in that case, our BS equal to W. So this is most important one. You have to keep in mind that for welded connection, we have BS that is equal to W. And therefore, we have this value of BS that is as 75. And then we have LC that we are going to consider maximum length of the connection in these three, and that we have 120. And from this we are going to get value of beta as 1.13, so greater than 0.7, less than 1.44. And then we are going to find out TDN from this, which will give us 460.21 kilonewton, which is 2. Now we have third block shear strength. So now in this AVG Fy upon root 3 gamma MO plus 0.9 ATN FU upon gamma ML, and TDB2 we have 0.9 AVN FU upon root 3 gamma ML plus ATG Fy upon gamma MO. So now in this, if you will see, AVG and AVN we will have same, because no deduction for holes we have to consider in this, and ATG and ATN we have same, no deduction for holes. Now in this we can see we have AVG equal to AVN, and that is equal to 170. We have length in the direction of the stress. So now in some book value of 120 is given, in some book 120 plus 50 is given, that is 170. In some book average of the two is taken. So books are given different values for it. In IS code that is not clearly mentioned. Then ATG and ATN we are related with 100 because perpendicular to the direction of stress. And then we have AVG, ATG in this way, and then substitute value of AVG, ATG in the equations, and then we will get value of TDB, which will be first value 518.27 kilonewton, which will be A. TDB1 I will say, TDB2 we will say as 517.01 kilonewton, and then we have to take minimum of A and B, that will be my value of TDB. Now this minimum we have 517.01 kilonewton and we have third. Now generally if we will see in this, we have minimum of 1, 2, 3, and in this case you are going to get value of tensile strength minimum as TDG, because if you will go with TDN we have 460 and this value we have 517. Now in this, as we do not have deduction for holes, so ANC, then AVN, ATN, these need not required to calculate, and as deduction of holes is not there, so my net area that is equal to gross area, and therefore your strengths are greater in case of your rupture at critical section and in case of your block shear strength. So we have tensile strength of angle is 375 kilonewton. I already mentioned that in case of welded connection, generally block shear strength is avoided and we have to take minimum of the two only. So thank you. This is all about your bolted connection, sorry, welded connection for tension member. So thank you.